Pag-asa provides a 24 to 36-hour lead time warning to the public for the approaching typhoons Ophel and Pipito, allowing for even earlier prep time. These are the 5th and 6th consecutive typhoons to hit the country. Some towns in Cagayan Valley are still recovering from floods when another typhoon threatens the eastern coast of Isabela and Cagayan. Due to the latest streak of typhoons, the public is befuddled and scratching their heads, wishing for more answers than questions.
Ang sinasabi pong track nung tatlong bagyo, si Nika, si Ophel, and then si Manny, ay supposedly pare-parehas po. Bakit initially nga po pare-parehas siya?
Pag-asa explains the typhoon's track was initially headed north, away from the Philippines. However, a weather system is forcing the typhoons to cross northern Luzon.
Iniiwasan po ng mga bagyo itong reach of high pressure area. So dahil nasa northern part ito, hindi po ito makakilos ng pahilaga. More on pakanluran or westward ang nagiging pagkilos nito.
Research shows a similar scenario in 1948 when 6 typhoons hit the country in November. It happened again in 1956 with 5 typhoons. The formation of these typhoons is linked to the high temperature of the Pacific Ocean, particularly when it reaches 27 degrees Celsius. The intense red area in the Pacific Ocean, indicating high temperatures, is where the recent series of typhoons have originated. One notable change in typhoon formation is the decreasing number which Pag-asa has tracked since 1948.
Yung bilang ng bagyo natin na pumapasok sa PAR ay bumababa yung bilang ng bagyo. Nagdi-decrease yung frequency. Pero in terms of intensity ng mga bagyo, yun po yung increasing trend nakikita natin. Mas nagiging intense ang ating mga bagyo. In fact, based po dun sa historical record natin, mula 1948 up to 2023 na mga bagyo, pinakamadami po ay ang typhoon category.
Fortunately, there's no amihan or northeast monsoon wind yet to push the typhoons further down. If the northeast monsoon is strong, Visayas or Mindanao might be hit. The DSWD has prepared 92,302 family food packs for Cagayan Valley and a standby fund of 2.2 billion pesos for typhoon-affected areas. Government's target, zero casualty, no hunger. The additional aid includes over 80 million pesos, 1.3 million family food packs, and non-food items worth over 860 million pesos. The government aims for zero hunger and casualties despite the series of typhoons hitting the country. From PTV, Benji Durango, Balitang Pambansa.